Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5, respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 7 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 5 Weather, Climate, and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. Video Part 2, Question number 21. Which of the following provides insulation to penguins against the cold? Feathers, thick skin, fat under the skin, or all of the above? Answer will be all of the above. Actually, feathers keep them warm, and the fat under the skin, that is known as blubber, it keeps them, helps them to keep them warm, and their skin is also thick. That's why answer will be option D. Question number 21, D. Question number 22. Which of the following features does not belong to toucan? Can change color of its feather, get food from fruits, feet are adopted for grasping the branches of the tree, also known as beard tail. So answer will be your also known as beard ape. This is not your beard tail. Wrong. 22nd answer is option D. Question number 23. Match the following. Toucan. So toucan can show camouflage. Change the color of its feathers. Toucan will match with the option D. Penguin. Penguin has flipper-like wings. It helps them in swimming. Tiger. Long, strong, and sharp claws, which helps them to catch their prey. Long-tailed macaw. This is your beard app. The picture is pasted here. You can see this is your lion-tailed macaw. Okay. So 23rd answer will be your option C. 23rd C. Question number 24. Polar bears show camouflage due to the padded feet, thick fur, white fur, two layers of fat. So camouflage means blending of the body color with the surrounding. So this is due to the white fur. 24th answer is option C. Question number 25. Camouflage shown in the lion is due to long sharp claws, sense of smell, yellow-brown color, or fast running. So camouflage means blending with the surrounding, blending of color with the surrounding. So this is due to their yellow-brown color. So 25th answer will be your option C. Question number 26. Choose the correct option for the given figure. So B, this is your frigid zone. B is your frigid zone. A is your temperate zone. And D is your torrid zone. So where is B, frigid zone? This one, B is the frigid zone. A is your temperate zone. It is available in the D. C is the equator, which divides the line Earth. Equator is the imaginary line which divides the Earth in northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. And the torrid zone is near the equator. Option D will be the correct answer. 26th answer is option D. Question number 27. Average weather pattern of many years describes precipitation, climate, humidity, rainfall, or none of this. Average weather pattern for many years. So weather of any space for a long time is known as climate. So 27th answer will be option B. Question number 28. Important feature of tropical region are. So, what is the tropical region? Tropical region is this zone. The torrid zone is known as the tropical region. It is near the equator, and on the equator, the sun rays reaches directly. That's why this there is very hot climate. Answer will be your option B. 28th answer is option B. Question number 29. Which of the following can protect the birds living in polar region from extreme cold? So the birds living in polar region like your Arctic tern, they just migrate from that place. So migration can protect them. The 29th answer will be option B. Question number 30. Temperature, humidity and rainfall are dash of the weather. So these are the elements of the weather. 30th answer will be option D. Question number 31. Which of the following is not a function performed by the meteorological department? So meteorological department, it just predicts the weather. So it makes weather prediction. Yes. It issues various national and zonal alerts like cyclone, tsunami information. Correct. It provides monsoon and rainfall reports. Yes. It provides information about endangered animal species. No. This is not the work of the meteorological department. So 31 answer will be option D. Question number 32. Penguins keep themselves warm by their black and white color, their thick skin, huddle together, and both B and C. So, with their thick skin, and the blubber is present within their skin, so which provides them the warmth. And when there is the too much cold, they just huddle together. All the penguins stand side by side. So this is called huddle together. Option D will be the correct answer. 32nd answer is option D. Question number 33. Animal which does not belong to tropical region. Apes, leopards, elephants, and monkeys. None of these. 33rd answer will be your none of these because all the animals are present in the tropical region. 33rd answer is option E. Question number 34. Which of the following is shown by humidity? Moisture, carbon dioxide, air pollutants, rainfall, or none of these. The humidity is the amount of water vapor present in any area. That is your moisture. Option A will be the correct answer. 34th answer is option A. Question number 35. In which region the sun does not rise for 6 months and does not set for other 6 months? So on the pole, as we know, Earth is tilted towards the sun with the angle of 23 and half degree. So that's why half of the year, one pole is facing towards the sun. That's why they get light, and other half of the earth could not get light. This side there will be night for 6 months, and this side there will be day for 6 months. Okay. This is the polar region. 35th answer is option C. Question number 36. Which of the following animals migrate? Butterfly, algae, Siberian crane, or all of these? So Siberian crane migrates for their survival. So 36th answer is the option C. Question number 37. Weather vary over long period of time, no time, very long period of time, or very short period of time. So weather is the day-to-day report. Means how is their humidity, the day it's sunny or not, how is the wind speed, the precipitation means rainfall will be there or not on the same day. So these information is given out by weather. So 37th answer will be option D. 38. Maximum temperature of a day can be recorded in. So maximum temperature of a day, you can see I have shown here. This is your midnight and this is the morning time and this is your afternoon time. 3 to 5 p.m. is the afternoon time and the maximum temperature can be recorded in the afternoon time only. The 38th answer will be option B. Question number 39. Dash country does not belong to polar region. So this part is the polar region. This part is the, you can see Canada is present here. Iceland is also coming in this side only. And Kenya is near your equator. So option D. 39 answer will be option D. Question number 40. The camel stores excess fat in which part of their body? Excess fat, they keep the excess fat in the hump. Option C. 48th answer will be option C. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.